couple. Okay, it's a nice one. Got him with his mouth open. Look at his little legs. his little legs. They look like twigs. Oh, that's a female. You can tell by it being all green. And we don't really need to play the sound because it's gonna come with the video. So let's see. Let's hear what the male sound like. If there's some sound. He drink fast, don't he? He gone. Out of there. And this is the female. The green honeycreeper. Tropical birds. Trying to steal her food. She said, get out of here. What is you doing? This is my fruit. It's my banana. Another banana tree they set up. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the footage. Yeah, she is big. Got up out of there. She big dog.